Hello everyone, in this video we are going to compare both SoundLink Max versus JBL Extreme 4 and versus Marshall Middleton. Design and build. So firstly, material of both SoundLink Max is rugged waterproof materials with IP67 rating, meaning it can withstand immersion in water up to 1 meter for 30 minutes. Material of JBL Extreme 4 is constructed with durable fabric and rubbed rubber bumpers. Also rated IP67 for waterproof and dustproof protection. And material of Marshall Middleton is classic Marshall design with a robust build rated IP67 for dust and water resistance. Portability of both SoundLink Max is features a built-in handle for easy transport. Portability of JBL Extreme 4 comes with a convenient shoulder strap for carrying. And portability of Marshall Middleton is compact design for easy handling. Weight of both SoundLink Max is approximately 2.13 kg. And weight of JBL Extreme 4 is approximately 2.1 kg. And weight of Marshall Middleton is approximately 1.8 kg. Water resistance of both SoundLink Max is IP67 and water resistance of JBL Extreme 4 is IP67. Water resistance of Marshall Middleton is also IP67. It's same in all of the three. Audio technology. Audio features of both SoundLink Max utilizes Snapdragon sound technology for enhanced audio quality and connection stability, supporting aptX adaptive Bluetooth codec. Audio features of JBL Extreme 4 is equipped with 2 woofers and 2 tweeters, plus dual passive radiators for deep bass. And audio features of Marshall Middleton features Marshall's signature sound with a focus on clarity and bass. Sound profile of both SoundLink Max is known for balanced sound with good bass response. Sound profile of JBL Extreme 4 delivers powerful sound with a frequency response of 44 Hz to 20 kHz, ideal for outdoor use. Sound profile of Marshall Middleton offers a rich sound experience typical of Marshall products, but specific audio specs are less detailed. Battery life. Battery life of both SoundLink Max is up to 20 hours of playtime on a single charge. Battery life of JBL Extreme 4 is up to 24 hours of playtime. And battery life of Marshall Middleton is up to 20 hours of playtime. Charging of both SoundLink Max is USB-C charging. Charging of JBL Extreme 4 is fast charging capabilities with a power bank feature for external devices. Charging Marshall Middleton is a standard charging options. Specifics on charging time are not detailed. Connectivity. Bluetooth version of both SoundLink Max is Bluetooth 5.3, supports multi-point connectivity and various Bluetooth profiles, A2DP, AVRCP, etc. Bluetooth version of JBL Extreme 4 is Bluetooth 5.3, supports multi-point connection. Bluetooth version of Marshall Middleton is Bluetooth 5.1. Specifics on version and profiles are less detailed. Additional features of both SoundLink Max are Google Fast Pair and Simple Sync technology for connecting with other Bose devices. Additional features of JBL Extreme 4 is Auracast for pairing with multiple JBL speakers for a synchronized audio experience. Additional features of Marshall Middleton supports multi-device connectivity, specifics not provided. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.